What is up, guys? We are out here kayaking. Aiden, Cameron, my boy Cameron. Y'all haven't seen Cameron yet, but
what's up, boys?
This is my boy. He's about 6'6". We out here kayaking, guys. Just doing a little adventure. Get outside a little bit. Just enjoy the nice weather. You see, we got the setups here. This is my kayak. Yeah. Kayak. These are stock kayaks, so they're not the best, but we are definitely out here enjoying life, enjoying this river today, and we will see y'all in a little bit. I'll probably get a little bit of us like in the kayak, and y'all can see what we're working with. But yeah, we'll see y'all in a little bit.
This is it, money.
What is up, guys? We are currently in the boats. They are over there. We set up on like a little bank area. Guys, if you've never kayaked before, it's very exhausting. It's fun, don't get me wrong. I'm enjoying this experience, but it is exhausting. You gotta be ready to do some work, but it's definitely worth it. We're pulling up on the bank right now. There's a little sandbar behind me. There's people over there, but having a great time. Great experience. It's always good to do something new and something you've never done before, you know. So we out here. Yeah. What's going on, guys? We just finished kayaking. I am worn out. Hey, how you feel, buddy? Feel good? Hungry. How you feel, Cameron?
All day, boy.
You boy tired?
Not too bad.
Boy hungry?
Some traps early.
Good news is we're about to go pick up some Chipotle, so that's gonna be amazing. Overall, had a great experience. Definitely gonna come back again. But yeah, we are about to absolutely destroy some Chipotle. So,
Manhandle.
We'll be sure to let y'all see all of that action, so y'all can be very jealous. Hungry boy. Hungry boy. Alright, y'all, I don't think y'all understand how much I love Chipotle, but it's gonna be so good. God, you! God! That's some good stuff. That boy munching. That boy munching. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That boy munching. Boy is massive. Boy slowing down. You getting full, buddy?
Yeah.
Cameron ain't slowing down.
Nah.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here though. Alright, guys, we made it to the end somehow. Aiden didn't finish his, sadly. Boy got full. Alright, guys, that concludes this part of the video. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm out.
I'm your disciple. I choose how I sin. I've got a distant memory.
What is up, YouTube fam? It is Monday and it is a great day. Hey Dante, why is it a great day? What are we starting?
Because I'm eating popcorn.
Yes, you are eating popcorn. But what are we doing today? What are we starting?
Well, this guy's starting a program.
Starting a program. I'm pumped. Aiden's pumped. He's starting a program also. No? Yes?
Is that facts?
That is facts.
I don't think that
We are starting programs. It's been a month since I've been on one. I'm super pumped. I'm ready to get going. Today I'm squatting and benching, starting super light. I think for squats I have sets of 5 with the AMRAP at the end, same thing for bench, and then we're gonna smash some accessories. But I am pumped. We are going to lead y'all on the way there. Get to follow the whole journey. It's not gonna be too interesting because we're not going super heavy today, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have fun. All right, don't they?
How much fun we will have.
With the popcorn. Yes, sir, we got the Woke, as always. Favorite pre-workout of all time. It is amazing. Y'all need to go check this stuff out. Woo! Oh, good stuff, good stuff.
Xavius, where you at?
This is it, money.
Ugh. Whoo! I am tired. Jeez. I had a great workout though. I really surprised myself on squats, honestly. 355 for a top set of 5 RP6. Whoo, boy. That's by far the best that's ever moved, ever. Just starting out this new program. Extremely happy with squats. Bench was flying as well. Doing a lot of pause sets on bench. But yeah, guys, that concludes this video. Like always, if you enjoyed this, please like, comment, share, subscribe. and I will see y'all in the next one.